To be working on a VCAA Northern Hemisphere 2018 Exam 2, Section A, Question 16. Let the function with a domain of all positive real numbers be sketched with all real numbers. F of x is equal to negative log base ex, and our function g with a domain of real numbers is sketched with all real numbers. G of x is equal to x squared plus 1. Find the domain and range of this composite function f g of x. So the first thing I'm always going to do is write down what is my domain, what is my range of each of my functions. So let's look at f of x and look at g of x. F of x states my domain as being positive real numbers. Based on our understanding of logs is going to go through here at 1 and it's going to go all the way up. It's got a negative, so that means it's going to go the opposite way and go down. But my range here is all real numbers. If I look at g of x, it's a quadratic. I'm told my domain is real numbers, and I know my range is going to start at 1 and go to infinity. Now, straight away, I know that my domain of g of x is a subset and fits in to my range of g of x fits into my domain of f of x. It's a subset. This helps me to know that I can have a valid composite function. Now, I'm not using all positive real numbers. I'm focusing on my range that is going in from 1. So that's what I need to use. So straight away, I know that my domain is going to be real numbers because that's what I'm starting off with when I plug it in. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my domain and go, it can't be C, it can't be D. So, because everything else has got real numbers. The second part on what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in this 1 and look at what's happening with that 1. So if I plug in that 1, I'll get 0. So straight away, that's helping me out. So that means if I'll just write that down. If I put 1 into f of x, it is straight away going to give me 0. Now I need to look at infinity. Whatever number I put in, it's going to turn negative. So straight away, that means because of that negative, it's going to only be negative values that I'm going to be given, which means I'm going to go down to negative infinity. So negative infinity all the way to 0. That allows me to look at E. E says all negative real numbers inclusive of 0. So my answer has to be E.